Hey guys, Harsh here and welcome back to Technolobe. As you can see, we are back to another laptop review today, and this is the Asus ROG Zephyrus M16. Now let me just quickly switch it on, and yeah, here we go. Now this is their top of the line gaming laptop which comes with incredible specifications. It comes with the 11th generation Intel Core i9 processor. The exact model number is 11900H. Along with that, it also has the RTX 3070 graphic card. This is a very good combination and this laptop is a beast. Today in this video, let's talk in detail about the Asus ROG Zephyrus M16. Sit back, relax and have fun. Now right off the bat, let's talk about the design of this laptop. Now the Asus ROG Zephyrus M16 definitely looks like a gaming laptop. It has that matrix up front which looks absolutely cool. It has RGB lighting. It's a thick laptop with vents all around and it definitely gives that gaming vibe. But at the same time, the gaming aspect is subtle. It's not too much and that's exactly what I like about it. Now this is a 16-inch laptop. It's not a small laptop, it's a big one. So please make sure you note that. As far as the weight goes, it weighs in at 1.9 kilograms. The weight is not that much considering the specs that it offers. The build quality is also top notch over here, high quality materials all around. I just have one small complaint that the material used over here attracts a lot of fingerprints. Like the material used around the keyboard attracts a lot of fingerprints. And yeah, that's something that I don't like. All in all, in terms of design and build quality, I am very happy with the Asus ROG Zephyrus M16. Now next up, let's talk about the main thing with this laptop, performance. Under the hood, this laptop is jam-packed with top-notch specifications. Are you ready for it? Here we go. It comes with the 11th generation Intel Core i9 processor. The exact model number is 11900H. On the graphics side of things, it has an RTX 3070 graphics card with 8GB of video memory. It has 32GB of fast RAM and a 2TB NVMe M.2 SSD as well. So as I said, jam-packed with specifications. Now how do these numbers translate into real-life performance? Before we get there, here are some benchmarks. We tried 3D Mark 10 and PC Mark for benchmarking, and here are the results on your screen. Now as always, let's divide the performance into various use cases. First up is gaming, because yeah, this is a gaming laptop. How does this laptop perform in terms of gaming? Well, it performs excellent. We were absolutely amazed by the performance of this laptop. The 11th generation Core i9 processor is a beast and works like a charm for gaming. Same goes for the RTX 3070 graphics card. We tried a bunch of games. Apex Legends, no issues whatsoever. Call of Duty Modern Warfare on the highest settings, again a very smooth gameplay. We also tried Rainbow Six Siege, which is one of my favorite games, and we absolutely loved the experience on the highest settings available. Apart from that, we also played Rocket League, which is like a very fun game, Valorant, which is again a very fun game, and finally NFS Heat as well. As I said, in all the games, we were very surprised by the performance. The 11th generation processor works like a charm over here. So gaming wise, you are pretty much sorted with this laptop. You can play your favorite games at the highest settings available and you will not notice any bottleneck whatsoever. Also, one thing to note over here is that the 11th generation i9 processor handles the graphics card very well. Like both of them work in sync together and that is excellent. So all in all, gaming gets a big fat thumbs up from my side. Now the next point in performance is productivity. Now I am a video creator and a photographer and I use productivity based applications a lot. Applications like Photoshop, Premiere Pro, After Effects, all these applications are used on a daily basis over here. So I tried doing that on this laptop as well and I was pleasantly surprised. The performance was next level, top notch, no issues whatsoever, no bottleneck, and you can easily use this laptop for productivity based tasks as well. So if you're a video creator editing in Premiere Pro, or if you want to edit high quality photos on Photoshop, or if you want to color grade in DaVinci Resolve, you can literally do anything and the processor does not bottleneck. As I said, the i9 processor is a beast and works like a charm in this laptop. Also for normal day-to-day applications like Excel, PowerPoint or cloud-based applications, this laptop does not drop a sweat. Like obviously, it won't drop a sweat. All in all, in terms of the performance, this laptop does not disappoint. The combination of the 11th generation i9 processor and RTX 3070 graphics card is a great one over here. Alright, that was performance. Next up, let's talk about that beautiful display. Now the model that I have over here comes with a 16:10 165Hz IPS LCD display. The resolution is 2560 by 1600 and this display is an awesome one. It hits 100% on the DCI-P3 color gamut and that is just excellent. So it's color accurate, the viewing angles are great, it gets bright enough as well, and you will have an excellent time with this laptop. If you're watching movies, playing games, or in general editing a PowerPoint presentation, you will notice that the display is very good. I absolutely love the display on this laptop. What about the keyboard and trackpad? The keyboard is excellent. The typing experience is very good. The keys are clicky, they have a good amount of travel to them, and they are RGB backlit as well. I don't know about you guys, but I personally love RGB keyboards. RGB keyboards look awesome. Now, one thing missing over here is a dedicated numpad. I know a lot of people who use a dedicated numpad on a daily basis, and this laptop is a big one. So they could have fit a numpad over here, but that is absent. As far as the trackpad goes, it is amazing. The tracking experience is smooth, and you can also use all your gestures. So 2-finger gestures, 3-finger gestures, whatever you want to use, you can use them easily. All in all, I'm pretty happy with the keyboard and trackpad. Next up, let's talk about the input-output ports. This laptop has a lot of ports. So it has an HDMI port, one Ethernet port, one full-size USB Type-A port, 2 USB Type-C ports, one of them is Thunderbolt 4. The Thunderbolt 4 port is highly appreciated over here because it supports a host of accessories, external hard drives, monitors, and a lot of other things. So Thunderbolt 4 is highly appreciated over here. Next up, there's a headphone jack which also doubles as a microphone port. And on this side over here, we have another USB Type-A port and a micro SD card slot as well. So as I said, in terms of ports, you are sorted with this laptop. Does not disappoint, has all the necessary ports, and that's just excellent. This gets me to battery life. How's the battery life of this laptop? So if you're doing normal stuff like checking your email, replying to some messages, watching some YouTube videos, then you will get pretty good battery life out of this laptop. You will get somewhere around 6 hours of battery life. But on the other hand, if you're doing some performance intensive tasks like gaming or video editing, video rendering, whatever, then you will get somewhere around 3 to 4 hours of battery life. So the battery life is good. It's not like excellent battery life, but it's a good battery life. As far as charging goes, you do get a 240 watt adapter inside the box, and I would recommend you to use that charger while you're doing performance intensive tasks. So for example, if you're playing a high-end game, then you should use the charger along with it because that will give you the best experience. Now you guys might be wondering, what about the thermal performance of this laptop? Well, I was very surprised by the thermal performance of this laptop. When you're doing performance intensive tasks, it will get warm, but it won't heat up whatsoever. There are vents all around, and it also comes with a design where it raises a little when you open it up. So because of all this, the heat dissipation is excellent, and that is highly appreciated over here. When you're doing high performance stuff, the fans will kick in to dissipate the heat, so please make a note of that. The fans will kick in. But all in all, I'm going to say the thermal performance of this laptop has been amazing. This gets me to other little things. The speakers on this laptop are very good. So if you want to listen to music or watch movies, you can easily do that with the speakers. I like the speakers on this laptop. As far as connectivity goes, you get Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2 out of the box. These standards are modern and fast, and you do get them with this laptop. Now what about the webcam? The webcam is a pretty normal one, nothing exciting over here. It will get the job done for online video calls on Zoom, Google Meet, or anything else. It will get the job done for online calls. To sum it all up, the Asus ROG Zephyrus M16 is a beast of a laptop. The 11th generation Core i9 processor works really well over here, and so does the RTX 3070 graphics card. If you want a high performance laptop, then you can consider this one. I will make sure to drop a link to it in the description box below. So anyway, this was the Asus ROG Zephyrus M16. Do let me know how you feel about this video in the comment section down below. If you like this content, go ahead that like button, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. It would mean the world to me. My name is Harsh Punjabi, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.